How can we start investing in cryptocurrency like everyone else is doing and making money? This is a question many of you would have asked yourself, but could not find that simple and safe way to do so. But don't worry, because in today's video, we have decided to guide you through on how to invest in cryptocurrency. Stick till the end of the video to know the easy and simple steps that you can follow to start investing in cryptocurrency right away. But before we get started, subscribe to Nonstop Crypto and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and I will personally reply to your comment. Also, leave a like for good luck with your crypto investments. Now, let's dive into the video. We have seen that thousands of investors have made an unbelievable amount of profit by carefully investing in cryptocurrency. But often, we ignore the importance of the proper steps that we should follow to start investing and make a very handsome profit. Let's find out what are these secret steps that you should follow to start investing. Step number 1, pick the right cryptocurrency exchange and make your account. You can never start investing in crypto until you pick the cryptocurrency exchange that will allow you to start investing. Simply, the cryptocurrency exchange is the place where you will buy, sell, and even possibly hold your crypto assets to sell in the future. Thus, you have to choose your cryptocurrency exchange wisely and make an account there, because it is where you will see the graph, your profit or loss, and daily trends about the market. There are a number of cryptocurrency exchanges that you can select to start investing right away. Although they are different in terms of interface and transaction fee and speed, they perform the same function of providing you a place where you can invest easily. Some of our favorites and trusted exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, and eToro. You can find a link to all of these in the video description. Step number 2, fund your account. After you select your cryptocurrency exchange and make your account, you have to fund it to start investing. You can link your bank account or credit card very easily with any exchange and send funds to your cryptocurrency exchange in no time. Even some exchanges allow you to send funds without any transaction fee. After funding, you can use these funds to invest wisely in any cryptocurrency. And after making some profit, you can send your funds and profit money back to your bank account. Step number 3, pick your cryptocurrency to invest in. Once you set your exchange account and fund it, you can start investing in any cryptocurrency right away. But before investing, you have to pick the right cryptocurrency. Most investors love to invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum because they are widely demanded cryptocurrencies, and you can easily make a handsome amount of profit in the long run if you choose them. The trends can also be predicted if you have some knowledge about investing. You can check out our other videos where we present you the newest trending coins in the market. But as a beginner, we would recommend you start investing in some small altcoins with a small amount so that you can have a taste of the varying trends and market. But remember, we're not a financial advisor. Do your own research before investing in any crypto coin. Step number 4, start small, earn big. If you have not invested earlier in cryptocurrency or the stock market, then you have to start investing with a small amount so that you can learn about the versatility of the market and the daily trends. You have to invest a small portion of your income at the start of investing to know how the daily price can go up and down depending upon various situations. Every penny should teach you something in the form of experience. And once you know how the market performs on specific days, you can use this insight to make a big profit. At least in the first 3 months, you have to stick to small investments, and then gradually you can increase your money in the cryptocurrency. Also, separate your feelings from your investments. Step 5, choose your cryptocurrency wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is simply a software that stores your private and public keys, which are used to send or receive crypto assets in your account. The private key is used to send cryptocurrency to anyone you want from your account, while the public key is used to send you the crypto assets from anyone. In simple words, if you choose your cryptocurrency wallet, you will be able to store your cryptocurrency assets safely without any fear of losing it. You can even get these wallets in the form of hardware, which are the devices that store your crypto assets offline. In this way, you don't have to worry about getting hacked and have your assets stolen. Our favorite hardware wallets are from Ledger and Trezor. On the other hand, the software wallets can be in the form of apps that you can download from App Store for iOS or Play Store for Android. Our recommendation for software wallet goes to Exodus. If you follow these steps, then you won't need to research any further about how you can start investing in cryptocurrency. In conclusion, let's repeat these steps to remember them effectively. Choose your cryptocurrency exchange and make your account. Fund your account. Pick your cryptocurrency. Start investing with a small amount to get used to the market. Store your assets in the cryptocurrency wallets. And then finally, start investing actively to make some more money. Still have some questions about investing in cryptocurrency? Don't be shy and comment your questions in the comment section below, and our expert team will help you out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Nonstop Crypto and hit the bell icon to never miss any future interesting videos. Want to learn more about cryptocurrency? Then be sure to check out these videos. Until the next video, stay tuned.